Hi, my name is Andrei Yakovenko from New Element Training. In this brief video, we will show another back exercise, so the variation of a lat pull down. Now, before I go into the details describing this technique, please don't forget, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to our channel and click that bell notification button, so each time we produce a video, you get immediate notification, so you won't miss any of our instructional educational videos. So keep in mind, when we do an exercise, there are three core guiding principles. It's all about the muscle, it's not about the movement, so make sure you feel the right muscle first. Secondly, move it slowly under control. And thirdly, we're going to try to take those muscles to monitor muscular failure. All right? If you're not sure about those principles, we have a separate video talking about, it's called three guiding principles of net methods. So watch that video first before you proceed. Now, this is how we're going to do it. So find, it could be a door or something where you can just hang the rubber band. You're going to need the rubber band over, right? Now, sit away a little bit, further away from the door or that position where, the rubber band goes over. Get yourself ready. Keep your knees, slightly bent. So what you want is, you want to let the resistance first sit, so your torso should be nice and straight. Don't lean back. Keep your torso straight this way. Now, let the resistance kind of stretch your shoulders first. Allow your shoulders kind of to roll forward and up. Now, the first thing what you're going to do is, you're going to retract and depress your shoulder blades down and back. So see, I'm not even using my elbows yet. I'm just retracting shoulder blades back and pressing them down. Now, once those shoulder blades are engaged, it's great for all my little stabilizing muscles in my scapular. But also at this position, I can start feeling my latissimus, those, the kind of V-shaped muscles of my back. Once I feel them, I'm going to start squeezing those muscles down by bringing the elbows down towards the floor. So the elbow, again, visualize there's kind of a rope that pulls my elbows down towards the floor. And at the same time, I'm squeezing my latissimus. So now, don't lean back, keep your torso straight. So now, I can feel my latissimus, those V-shaped muscles are fully contracted. What I'm going to do, I'm going to engage my upper back, I'm going to squeeze my shoulder blades back even more. Now I can feel my back is fully engaged. So my mid-back is engaged, upper back, and my latissimus are fully contracted. Now I'm going to go back. As I'm going up, I'm keeping my shoulders engaged. So my shoulder blades are still staying down and depressed, down towards the floor, but my arms starting to go up, and I'm controlling, not from my hand, I'm controlling it from my back. I'm still keeping my back engaged. Keeping the shoulders down, keeping my back engaged. And at some point, you're going to start losing the connection to your back. So let your shoulders roll forward and up. Feel that stretch. If anything, it could be nice and pleasant stretch. And then again, when you're ready, you repeat. Retracting your shoulder blades down and depressing them back. And then elbows tucked in and being pulled down. And I can feel those muscles, my lats of my back. And I'm squeezing them. When they're fully contracted, I'm going to retract my shoulder blades back. Feel my back is fully engaged. And I'm going to control the negative phase when I'm going up from my back. Again, this is a little bit light resistance, so it will take me a while to reach failure. So what we're going to do is, we're going to pretend this is, the last repetition. Now, relax, get a little bit of stretch. And here I should be like already kind of 9 out of 10 effort. Keeping the perfect form, that first principle. I can elbows down, I can squeeze in my back. I barely be able to do it. And then I'm gonna squeeze my shoulder blades back. And I'm kind of almost done, but what we're gonna do, I'm gonna really fight hard on this last 30 seconds or so. I'm gonna take my time. 5. 10. Squeezing my lats as hard as I can. Resisting. 15. 10 seconds. 10. 9. 8. Focusing on the back, not the arms, in the back. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And then slowly. And again, you're done when despite your absolutely life depends on the 10 out of 10 effort, you simply wouldn't be able to, maintain that muscular contraction in, these muscles here and the muscles of your back, more than maybe, another like second or two and move it another inch or two. So then we satisfy that third principle, which is principle overload theory, states the only way to increase strength is to do more intensive work that was previously demanded on that muscle. That means from session to session, giving your body sufficient recovery and rest. When you do this exercise, you should be already a little bit stronger. If you want to learn more about our approach, you can go to newelementtraining.com. You can shoot us an email at info@newelementtraining.com if you have any questions, or book an online coaching session. Thank you.